Your carpets and upholstered surfaces collect dirt and allergens, making them much dirtier than you can see on the surface. Our certified cleaning experts will give your furniture and flooring the deep clean they need to look like new. From carpets to virtually every type of upholstery, including leather and velvet, we've got you covered. Since surface cleaning can only do so much, our specialized equipment provides a powerful extraction process with amazing benefits for you and your family. We'll walk you through the process from start to finish because we're not happy until you are. We offer the industry's best 100% unconditional satisfaction guarantee. Our COIT Loyal program offers exclusive benefits for our customers. Call us today for a free in-home inspection and estimate. It's not clean until it's COIT clean.